Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire and today I am at the launch of Huawei P30 Pro and P30 Lite. So there was one more variant P30 which is not launched in India, and here we have both the phones. This is the P30 Pro and the P30 Lite. So in this video we'll see a quick difference in both the phones. So guys, right now we have both the phones which have been released in India, Huawei P30 Pro as well as Huawei P30 Lite. So I've specifically taken two different colors so that you can make a clear difference in both the phones. And as we see from the back, there's a big difference in the size. From the front, there's no much difference as such in the quality of the display is concerned. It is full HD plus display in both the phones, but yes, the prominent display size is different. That is that the lighter version has a 6.15 inches of display screen size, and this one has the Pro version has a 6.4 inches of screen size. And if we talk about the cameras, there's a major difference, because here in the Pro segment we get a quad camera setup, and in the Lite version we get a triple camera setup. That means one of the lens is removed. Specifically, the TOF lens is not there at all. Here, the other major difference at the back is that the fingerprint sensor has been shifted to the in-display fingerprint sensor here, which is a really nice one. I've tested it. So we've seen the differences in the hardware, but what are the differences in the software level? Let's see that. Okay, so in the Pro version, you get Kirin 980 processor, but in the Lite version you get a Kirin 710 processor, which is also a very good processor as per the price is concerned. And along with that, the EMUI version is same, it's 9.1 in both of them. And then there is a difference in the RAM and the ROM combination. Here you get a 4 GB RAM and an internal storage of 128 GB. The other model in the Lite version is a 6 GB plus 128 GB, but in the Pro version you have 8 GB plus 256 GB. That is the combination which is available. Then there is a difference in the battery level also. In the Pro version you get a 4200 mAh of battery. In the Lite version you have a 3340 mAh of battery. Also, if we see the details of the camera specs, quad and the triple setup we have seen, but as per the details are concerned, so you get in the Lite version you get a 24 megapixel primary sensor, and then an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle and a 2 megapixel of depth sensor. But in the Pro variant there is a 40 megapixel of primary sensor with a 20 megapixel of a wide angle sensor and an 8 megapixel of depth sensor with a TOF lens as well. TOF is time of flight. So these were the major differences in both the phones. So friends, this was a quick difference in both the phones, P30 Pro and P30 Lite. The major difference here is in the price. The P30 Pro has been launched as a price range of 71990, and P30 Lite is launched at a price range of 19990. So this is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite from the launch event. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nothing Wire. Thank you and bye.